Hi guys, my name is Shivram and welcome to Provachan.com. And this is a small intro video about what is Provachan and what does it do, whom does it cater to, and who can get involved. So I'll share a small presentation on this. So Provachan is Pravachan from professionals basically. So let's go into that. So what is Pravachan basically? So Wikipedia says Pravachan, which is a Sanskrit word, and it says it refers to exposition, expounding, reciting, orally explaining, speaking or talking about a spiritual idea or doctrine or treatise in Hinduism. Okay, particularly eloquently or excellent expression. So what I understood is something very deep, and this term is found in this sense of meaning in Rig Veda verses 10.35.8 and 4.36. So this is the source of Wikipedia, and Pravachan is always linked with spiritualism, specifically Hinduism. Hinduism is a way of nature, and now who is a professional? Okay, professional is a member of a profession or any person who earns their living from a specified professional activity, who do a particular task. So being a professional from web and digital marketing, and I have some spirituality, so these two things, spirituality inclination basically, so these two things came into my mind. However, Pravachan is not related to spirituality directly. It may or may not be related. Okay, we will also invite spiritual gurus to come and enlighten us. No hindrance in that. Spiritual gurus from any religion are welcome. Okay, but mostly it is Pravachan. So we'll focus on professionals who have lived a life of success and failure. So they'll come here, share their experiences and enlighten us. So we are here to listen through Pravachan. Okay, so Pravachan is professionals doing pravachans basically. Okay, and what does Pravachan do? Basically conduct expert talks. It will, the Pravachan will also have tips and tricks from the professionals, success stories. Okay, includes their failure and how they converted their failure to success also. Guides also will include, and we'll also have Q&A session, and what you can do with Pravachan. So subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channel. Basically these are the channels where we'll be streaming live. Okay, this will be live session, by the way. All the Pravachan talks will be live sessions. Don't want boring recorded sessions, and it is never one-sided at Pravachan. Yeah, they will be talking, but we can comment, we can ask, and we can interact. So subscribe to our newsletter by going to the website, and this is the website Pravachan.com, and email ID is very easy to remember, attend@pravachan.com. So I invite you to be a part of this and be with Pravachan, and this is the website, right? So www.pravachan.com is the website. So do visit the website. We are launching it today on 22nd November, 10:30 p.m. by Abhi Arya, who is my mentor, my guru on video marketing. What a great start, and Pravachan could not have a great start, better start than this. So once again, thank you, Abhi sir. And I see you in Pravachan, and every week, initially it's every Saturday at 9 o'clock, and we see you there at Pravachan every weekend. Have a party with us, and I make sure that the 1 hour you spend with us will be worth it, worth the time. Thank you, and see you at Pravachan.